Hi, everyone. In this video, we'll look at how the formula builder in Outgrow helps you create calculations and generate dynamic results based on user inputs. To get started, log into your Outgrow dashboard and open your content in build mode. From the left sidebar, click on Results. The next step is to build a formula. Click on the Edit button on the left to open the formula builder. The formula builder in Outgrow is designed to handle mathematical calculations using operators like plus, minus, multiply, and divide. It also supports over 100 advanced mathematical functions, including A and D, OR, and many others. To build your formula, simply drag and drop questions or results into the builder and combine them with operators to calculate the final result for your users. Once you're done building the formula, click Apply Formula at the bottom of the formula builder. Using if-then-else statements, you can create conditional expressions in formulas. For example, if Q1 is less than 4.5, the result is 50. Otherwise, the result is 90. Here, the question mark represents then, and the colon represents else. Now let's enable conditional messaging. On the results page, turn on the conditional messaging toggle. This feature allows you to display different messages depending on the result range. Once enabled, you can create conditions based on score ranges. For example, if your result ranges from 0 to 100, you could set conditions like, if the score is between 0 and 40, show a message like, your leadership skills are still developing. If the score is between 41 and 90, show, you're on the right track as a leader. And if the score is between 91 and 100, display, you demonstrate strong leadership. Each condition can have its own heading, description, media, and call to action buttons, allowing you to guide users toward different next steps depending on their result. If you want to add more conditions, simply click the Add Condition button. You can also create multiple results by clicking the plus icon in the results section. And once everything is set up, click on Go Live. You can share it as a link, embed it on your website, add it inside emails or landing pages. And that's it. That's how you can use the formula builder in Outgrow. With it, you can easily control how results, scores, or messages appear based on different user inputs. Try it yourself by signing up for Outgrow's 7-day free trial today.